Google Ads unacceptable business practice policy label is usually assigned when Google thinks that your website is not capable or your business model is not fine to run on Google network, which is why you cannot advertise on Google search and Google partners. Another interesting reason could be if your website have not properly displayed their business model, or if there is any confusion, or if your business follows another business and you are copying their strategy, or Google may have assumed this mistakenly or unknowingly. These could be major reasons why your ad have been labeled and your account has been suspended for Google Ads unacceptable business practice policy. In this video, I'm going to tell you how we were able to restore this suspended account. So let's get started on this amazing Google Ads account case study. So this is their website. You may see around over here. I will also show you their review as well. So this is the website. There are primary stores. So I'm going to show you the data first and then gonna discuss regarding. This is the query we received from the client where they say a billing country is Morocco, target country is Morocco, account is 7 months old. We have spending more than $22,000. We operate a cash on delivery e-commerce business in Morocco. We sell physical products such as traditional clothing, pants, sweets, and similar items to customers across Morocco. Orders are confirmed by phone and the products are shipped to customers using local delivery companies. Customers pay in cash upon delivery when they receive orders. Okay, so when interestingly, another reason why this happens is when a business model like this, where Google cannot confirm exactly regarding the user is being scammed or not, they look for your reputation for your website. So your website reputation management also plays a crucial role in getting your account restored. However, the client, requested for a new Google Ads partner account from us. We provided not only them an account, but we helped them with the compliance, which is the crucial important thing, because we feel that if you do the compliance, you will be able to run smoothly. Also, we offer primarily, we're a primarily full-fledged Google Ads partner company, but we help clients with cases like this, where your account is suspended, or if your ads are disapproved, or if your Google business profile is suspended, or if any other profile is suspended, me and my team is able to restore it. So now over this case, when we trying, looking around on these things, we found importantly quite a lot of things, which were causing the suspension. So for instance, I'm going to show you first of all the images, few of the images, then you guys have an idea. These are the part of the appeals which my team did, and this is another unsuccessful update on suspension. Okay, another thing over this, we found that the client also had few of these accounts. We requested them for the cancellation. Now you can see that all of these accounts are cancelled, but previously they were not cancelled. So if we were able to restore the account, or if we provide them another account, but chances are that you can later on get in trouble, which is why it's very important to give you clean sheets with compliance. So with this, your account does not get suspended again. Also, our Google Ads partner accounts are much better, quicker to run, but we wanted to ensure the compliance. So which is why we wanted to help it, and we did a few of the audits. I'm going to show you a few of the audits as well, and I'm going to show you the approval as well. So another audit for the Google Ads account suspended due to unacceptable business behavior policy. The business identity is unclear, inconsistent, high risk. You may see around over here, the business brand logo is shown as Lumina on one of the main page, not Al Baja, which is the original brand. So you can see this can cause an issue. So here, misleading representation and lack of transparency is another reason if your account gets suspended for unacceptable business practice policy. No clear real world business details. You can see the physical registered business, physical name, and all of these things were missing. And all they had was the WhatsApp number. So Google thinks that their website usually are kind of a scammers. And the policy pages looked, all like copied, which is another reason why your account gets suspended. Also, single product landing page policy without any other thing, and aggressive urgency where you find like buy now, buy now, a lot of CTAs adding, also is another thing. Google thinks that why your website is not a reasonable option to be the part of their program. Confusing business description. So me, I and my team figured around these things. We suggested them a shipping policy page, other things as well, other changes, small changes, and another audit after these things were sorted by the client. Some more things were found in the return policy page, in terms of service policy page. So your account does not suspended again. Governing law is UK, but no UK business address or company registration are provided. If we are doing Shopify, we can provide that. Privacy policy page, issue, smaller issue page, shipping policy, about us page policy. We suggested created an about us policy page with small things as well to get compliant, including your phone number, company details, company address, a little bit CEO. Some social media connections were also being the part of this strategy to get it approved and to increase the authenticity of the website. And after this, we got an amazing review. I'm going to show you the review, and we provide them an account and got it approved after the advertiser verification. This is a review I'm going to show you as well. I had a problem with Google Ads, and with my Google Ads account that could not be fixed. AARSWEBS Solutions offered a fast and reliable alternative by providing a working Google Ads account. See, we provide them a Google Ads account from our Google partner agency, which allowed me to continue advertising without delays. Communication was clear and the process was straightforward. Overall, a very helpful experience. Thank you so much, and I'm going to show you the review as well. This is the review on our account. I had to wait some time before creating this video. I had a problem with my Google Ads account that could not be fixed. AARSWEBS Solutions offered a fast and reliable alternative by providing a working Google Ads account, which allowed me to continue advertising without delays. Communication was clear and the process was straightforward. Overall, a very helpful service. So you can see around another successful case study, and where we provided them our own account for the client whose account was suspended for unacceptable business practice policy. If your Google Ads account is suspended for unacceptable business practice policy, or suspended for suspicious payment, suspended for circumventing system, suspended for aggregate violation, unreliable claim, or any other reason, or if your Google Ads are disapproved, or if you need primary Google Ads management, which is our prime service as a Google partner company. If you need either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as AARSWEBS.com as a Google partner company, and you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. This is a collaborative team effort, so congratulations to the team and the client who was supportive enough to work with us, and we look forward to working with you as well. Take care and bye bye.